Yo, what's up guys? So how are all of you? I hope you all are well. Today I am going to tell you 10 crazy facts you didn't know about space. So let's get started. Our first fact is space is completely silent. You know what is the reason behind it? No? Then let's get started. There is no atmosphere in space, which means that sound has no medium or way to travel to be heard. Our second fact is the hottest planet in our solar system is 450 degrees Celsius. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system and has an average surface temperature of around 450 degrees Celsius. Did you know that Venus is not the closest planet to the Sun? That is Mercury. You would think that Mercury would then be the hottest, but Mercury has no atmosphere, resulting in big fluctuation. So Venus is the hottest planet. Our third fact is the sun's mass takes up 99.86% of the solar system. The sun accounts for 99.86% of the mass in our solar system with a mass of around 330,000 times that of the earth. Our next fact is 1 million earths can fit inside the sun. It means the sun is large enough that approximately 1.3 million earths could fit inside the sun. Our next fact is there are more trees on the earth than stars in Milky Way. There are about 3 trillion trees on planet earth and between 100 to 400 billion stars approximately in the galaxy. Our next fact is the sunset on Mars appears blue. Just as colors are made more dramatic in sunsets on the Earth, sunsets on Mars, according to NASA, would appear bluish to human observers watching from the red planet. Our next fact is there are more stars in the universe that are non-countable than grains of sands on Earth. The universe extends far beyond our own galaxy, the Milky Way. That is why scientists can only estimate how many stars are in space, while no one can actually count every single grain of sand on the earth. So it is also not possible to give counts of stars in the universe. Our next fact is one day on Venus is longer than 1 year. It means one day of Venus is equal to 1 year of Earth. Venus has a slow axis rotation which takes 243 Earth days to complete it a day. Our last fact is there is a planet made of diamonds. There is a planet made of diamonds twice the size of Earth, the super Earth, that is called 55 Cancri. It is most likely covered in graphite and diamond. Paying a visit to this planet would probably pay for $12 million space suit needed to get there. So guys, these are some interesting facts about space. So please subscribe my channel to stay tuned. Thank you.
Yeah.